Okay, welcome back to my channel. I welcome you. This is probably my first video, and yeah, let's start. So, what I start with is I start on the monthly time frame right here, as you can see, and what I usually like to do is I like to mark my highest points and my lowest points in the market. Okay, let's do that. Let's just do that. Okay, let me remove this for now. Sorry, it's magnet. There we go. Just like this. So that's my highest point on the monthly time frame right now, and this is my lowest point, just like this. Oh yes. Now, as I'm sharing this information, you already see what I'm talking about. You mark your highest point and you mark your lowest point, right? Now, this is more of a top-down analysis, so we have to go down to our weekly time frame. Okay, I can zoom a bit. As you can see, this is the color of my candles. Okay, green for my bullish candles and red for my bearish candles. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out a bit. There we go, weekly time frame. Wonderful. So what's happening here? Weekly time frame. We can see we have more zones over here. You see, we are marking areas of rejection, areas where price is going to reverse. It's either going to reverse in a small move or reverse in a big move, as we all know. Here's another level. We can see it play out already. That's wonderful. Here's another one. Let's probably save this one for our daily time frame. Okay, even if you want to, like, you can mark it right now, but I prefer the daily time frame. There we go. Daily time frame. Played out well. Played out well. There we go. Right there. Right there. So as we are marking these zones, you can probably see that this is the end of it. So we only mark on the monthly, weekly, and daily. Now, as you can see, this is how market has been moving. You can see how the market broke out of this zone. It's either the market will move in a small move, like you've seen here. The market will probably come and hit the zone, move in a small little move, or a big move. There's two ways. Okay, now as we go down to, we can see that on our daily time frame we have another zone here. Look at this. Look at this. You keep on seeing these everywhere. You keep on seeing these everywhere. Now this market breakdown for USD CAD is probably one of the best right now so far, and we can all see how this was a clear head and shoulders pattern. This was a clear head and shoulders pattern. I know you guys saw it. This one, look at that, a clear head and shoulders pattern. Now, with that being said, we can see how the market came down. Yes, broke out of our levels. You see all these rejection points, points where the market, let me show you clearly. You see these points? We had a point here. Let me make this appearish. Yes. You see how the market came here. We tested there. You see how the market played out. Now, if we are to go on to our H4 time frame, we are going to see how the market is going to play out. Look at that. I know a lot of people probably saw this, but this is by far the best setup that we've gone through lately. And just take a moment to see how wonderful this chart looks like. Okay, with that being said, this looks like a moment to introduce more levels that you can mark. Now these levels, they are quite, easy levels to mark out. You are going to mark out your highs and your lows, and that's how we are going to find more and more levels where the market is going to retrace, the market is going to break out, where the market is going to bounce. You see, we have our high right here, we have our low, we have our low high, we have our lower low, low high, another lower low, possible lower high right here. Now, from the looks of it, you guys probably think, oh, we have only two directions in the market. Don't overthink yourself. Do not. We have only two directions in the Forex market, only up and down. Sideways is considered a halt. The market won't be going anywhere. So, as you can see how wonderful this looks. I know, take your time. If you found this video while it's analyzing USD CAD, you will probably be thinking, oh wow, how come I didn't see this? It's because you never came and watched my video, because you never shared my video. Right there, look at that. Look at this. Let me just put this one in 2 points. Look at that. Look at that. I know most of you guys are now asking, oh wow, how would I have entered this market? How would I have entered this market? And one thing you should know for sure is that if you put everything together that I've shown you in this video so far, you can clearly see how this market came about, breaking this zone. Remember, breaking this zone, breaking this whole entire head and shoulders pattern. This one, as you can see, when it broke out from here, see how it retested here. It broke out again over here of this lower low, creating a new lower low, going all the way to retracing on this wonderful level. Now, from the looks of it, we as a channel, as a family, if we are to go back, let me just remove this for you so that you see clearly. If we are to go back onto a clear chart like this one, if we move down to our H1 time frame, wonderful. H1 time frame shows me a wonderful. Judging from every low we've had, you can clearly see what happened before. Sorry, let me show you how you can catch these trades faster. Look at this, from week to week, it broke out and retested. We don't always have retests, mind you. You don't get the best of both markets. All these gurus telling you that, oh wow, you're gonna get a retest there, and the market doesn't always retest. The market does what it wants, when it wants. So again, we shall repeat the same process over here. Look at that. Look at that. I know you guys are probably seeing this. I know you guys are seeing this. Let me just zoom it out a bit. Wow. And we are still going, guys. Don't even think, oh, the market's gonna do this. Nah. Look at it. Take your time and look at it. Might as well just try and make this a pattern. Oh wow, this is actually an actual pattern. So another thing, what is the market doing? The market is creating inner levels like these. Okay, and as your market was creating, let me zoom in, you know, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Seems to me it just broke out. We are possibly going to have a retest in this zone and go. This would be our first target right here, you know, and this might just be our third target. Okay, so if the market is to break our recent low, then we are probably going to assume that this is going to be our next level of retest, of breakout and retest. Now I won't go further into the minutes, only stop on the 1 hour. Do you know why? Because the market makes a lot of noise. The market doesn't give you time to think. The market doesn't give you time to put your things together. When you lose a trade, the market gives you so many opportunities for you to revenge trade, for you to be greedy, because you'll be seeing too many setups. It's like the moment you have a lot of money in your bank, you have a lot of things running through your head. Of course, you have responsibilities, but at the same time, it's not okay to be sitting on a lot of money, doing whatever, and thinking, what am I gonna do next with this money? So this is it, guys. I would really appreciate it if you would just like this video, leave a comment. I mean, like mystical forex everywhere, bro. Mystical forex for the world, and I'm gonna keep on pushing this market breakdown videos as much as you guys would want it. I'm gonna still be updating these videos. This is the best market breakdown we've had, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, this might be USD CAD market breakdown 1.0. I'll catch you again on 1.2 USD CAD market breakdown. Yeah, so next video I'm gonna be looking at AUD USD. I know some of you guys like that, so we're gonna be looking on what do you call this? We're going to be looking on forex pairs, right? These are currencies, cryptocurrencies, stocks, whatever, futures. We're gonna be doing it all, breaking it down bit by bit. So adios.